Hey guys, today let's learn how to download a video from Instagram over on your iPhone. So basically, if you were an avid user of Instagram and you want to go ahead and use the application to download a specific video from there, of course, all we need to do first is to head on over to the option wherein we could basically look for a video that we want to download. And of course, that video is going to be easy for us to locate. All we need to do is basically just choose a specific account that we want to use. In this case, I just want to use this account right here. And of course, if you want to download a specific video on Instagram, all we need to do is to choose what that video is. In this case, this is going to be perfect for me, so I'm going to choose this video right here. So of course, if you want to go ahead and download this video on iOS, you won't really have that option built into your Instagram applications right away, since it doesn't really allow you to do so. But since you are using an iPhone device, there is a workaround on that. And what you should do basically is to scroll down onto your control centers and click on the screen record button to record your screens and allow you to download that specific video straight to your photos. And of course, just click on that. It's automatically going to start counting down from 3, 2, and then 1, and then the recording will commence. Of course, what we want to do from there is to watch the video that we want to save on our device from the start until the end. And once it is done, of course, click on this screen recording symbol again so that it may be saved on your device. And basically, you should be done, and you have successfully downloaded a video from Instagram onto your iPhone. And that's all to this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.